Listen up, guys. We have a lot to go over in this video. We're going to break down 3 stocks that I'm looking at right now as a trade, of course. These are not for long-term investments. We're going to break down charts, key levels that I'm looking at, where I'm looking to buy, sell, do all that good stuff. So if you find value, smash that like button. Feel free to subscribe as well. And don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo. Link down below or on the side here. Or you guys can go to stassurfast.com/Moomoo. Once you open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat. And once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, totaling 5 stocks. And listen to this, once you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks on top of the 4 stocks, on top of that 1 stock, totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that link or go to stassurfast.com/Moomoo. Let me know what stocks you get. And with that being said, cheers, guys. Let's dive right into the video with stock number 1. And by the way, the markets are about to close here in less than 15 minutes, and the day today has been, let's just say it's been a wild one. We have the Russell down 0.9%, the Nasdaq's up 0.3%, the S&P's down 0.2%, as the Dow is down 0.75%, and we have the VIX up around 0.1%. So let's just say everything has been moving all over the place today, but we're not going to break down the markets in this video. We might do that later on today, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, let's break down the first of 3 stocks, which is Walmart, ticker symbol WMT. Bear with me, guys. Let me pull it up here and see where this is trading at. And right off the bat, guys, this company is reporting earnings in a couple of days from now. When is this? On the 18th. So okay, next week, next Thursday on the 18th, we have Walmart reporting earnings, and you guys can see we are at a major level of resistance, which Walmart's been struggling at all of this year, and it was struggling here at the end of last year, being about $150 to about $155 per share. You guys can see we hit that point back in November, end of November, heading into December. We were way overbought at that point, and we sold off from there. We went all the way down to around, let's see, 136. That was by the middle of March. Then we saw a big rally after that towards, pretty much 150, 155 again. And that's where we are right now. You guys can see, again, we're testing that 155 level, 152, 150 level as of right now. So you guys can see my alert is set at 155. And mind you, during this course of, the past couple of months, as we've been failing at 155, we've been putting in higher lows. You guys see that, right? So in other words, we've been uptrending, into that level of resistance. So we have an ascending triangle, right? So if this does play out, we break out of 155, I'm telling you guys, there could be a lot more upside here. We could be going towards, let me see on the 3-year chart, all-time highs. What are the all-time highs? 160? Yeah, those were hit back about a year ago, back in April of 2022. That's where Walmart stock could be going, in my personal opinion, if we do break out of 155. So my alert's there. 160 could be next, and who knows, maybe if 160 breaks, this could be going even higher from that point. I mean, at this point, guys, we're stone's throw away from all-time highs, and with good earnings maybe in a week from now, we could be straight to all-time highs. We could go straight there for all we know. I mean, it's not guaranteed. Nobody knows what's going to happen, but I'm just thinking out loud, right, guys? I'm thinking out loud, and that's where we could be going. So my alerts are set, 155. I put another one at 160. Let's see how it ends up playing out. Now, the next one I want to break down is Netflix, ticker symbol NFLX. This stock is up around 3% at the time that I'm making this video, and it's starting to break out. It's not fully breaking out, but it's getting dang close, guys. It's pretty much right there. We're above the moving averages. We're heading towards the highs from a couple of weeks ago. If I zoom in, you guys will be able to see back in the beginning of April, middle of April, we struggled at 345, 348, 350, right? You guys can see that. So if we do take out that point, which is where my alerts at 347.50, we break 350 as well. Let me set another one at 350. There could be a huge leg up coming on Netflix. And mind you guys, do you not see this, wedge? What is this? Yeah, wedge. We've been making higher lows for months at this point, since October pretty much, and at the same time, lower highs since the beginning of February. You guys see that. So in other words, if we take out 350, 355, we break out of that wedge, we could be off to the races, maybe back towards that 375, 380 level, which is not anywhere near the all-time high, but it is the high here on the 4-hour chart. If you guys remember, the all-time high is 700 plus on Netflix. I think 701 roughly is where it hit. So who knows if it will ever get back there. It probably will over time. It'll have to double up from here to get back there, which is pretty crazy. That might take a little bit. But look, it's, for sure, my eyes, momentum could build up and it could get to 380 in the short term, if we do break out of there. And you could also argue this is kind of a cup and handle. Do you guys see it? We have the cup right here, handle right here. Kind of, maybe, just maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. But look, Netflix, again, we break out of this wedge. It is off to the races. So that is stock number 2. The third stock is Mercado Libre, ticker symbol MELI. This has been pretty choppy the past couple of weeks. Been trading between 12.25 to about 1300, 1330 roughly. So this little $100 window is where it's pretty much been trading at. And as of the last couple of days, really yesterday and today, we've started to break back over the 50 and the 180 SMA. Well, really, it's been the 50 SMA because we've been above the 180 SMA. We've been above that for months, but now we're starting to break back over the 50, which we were slightly under it after the company reported earnings a couple of days ago. So that's a good sign, guys. We're heading in the right direction. The multi-week resistance right here on Mercado Libre, MELI is the ticker, is right around 1320 to about 1330. You guys can see that was the high from the end of March. We also hit that point in the middle of April. We also hit it just a couple of days ago, about a week ago, earlier in this month of May. So if we retake, what I'm trying to get at here is if Mercado Libre retakes that 1300, 1330 level, we could be off to the races on this stock from that point. The ascending triangle would be playing out. And let me see on the 3-year chart, where could this be going? Let me pull this up and see. Let's see, 1300, that's also the high roughly from April last year, also from January of last year. So if we do break out of here, guys, I mean, what's the next main resistance? 1475. You guys can see if I zoom in, that was the low from, July 2021 all throughout October 2021. That could be where we test next. If that were to break, maybe we start going low, mid 1600s. I mean, I don't know, guys, just thinking out loud here. This could be off to the races. And we also have an inverse head and shoulders. Do you guys see this? We have the left shoulder right here, the head's right here, boom, and we have the right shoulder. So this could be playing out faster than you think. We shall see. My alert's at 1330. I might as well put another one at 1300, and we'll see where it goes from there. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments section. I appreciate you all for tuning in. As always, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo. Link down below or on the side, or go to StasSurfAs.com/Moomoo. Once you guys open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock right away. Then once you deposit at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, totaling 5 stocks, and it gets even better with the more money you deposit. If you deposit at least $1,000 onto the platform, you get another 10 stocks on top of the 4 stocks, on top of the 1 stock, totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money, who doesn't like free money, and you want to help out the channel at the same time, I appreciate you guys as always. Make sure to use that link. Let me know what stocks you get in the comments. Feel free to check out my Patreon as well if you want to be a part of the Discord chat, you want to see my charts and ideas throughout the day, and if you want to see me build out my Patreon portfolio, all of that's on Patreon, which I actually just bought more of a stock today in that portfolio, so go check it out if you guys want to. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.